Yo, what up? How's it going, friend? So today I'm going to teach you exactly how to remove the card icon from your Shopify page theme. And by the time you're done with this video tutorial, you'll be able to get a result just like this. Now let's get straight to the video. Ta-ta-ria. So the first thing you want to do is to come here to your online store in your backend, and you want to come to themes, okay? And right here you have the page theme, and you want to come here and hit on customize. So the moment you hit on customize, what you want to do next is something easy. You just want to come to this section here, this header under the header. You want to go ahead and click on header, and you want to come and scroll down, all right? And you want to come here to the custom CSS section. You want to click on that, and you want to come here, which I'm going to give you access to this doc file right here. And you're going to copy this, all right? This code that says to remove using CS. You want to copy that and you want to paste. And right now you can see that the card icon is gone, all right? So the moment you're done, just go ahead, click on save, and you're good to go. But sometimes some people do tell me, Maverick, I don't want to use the custom CSS because maybe I already have a code there before and you don't really know how to go about it and all that. It's fine, all right? Now let's cancel this. Now let's try and use the base CSS method for this, all right? Which is also simple. It's just copy and paste. And how you're going to do that is that you're going to go ahead to this page draft. Then you're going to click on this three dotted line here, all right? And you want to click on edit code. Then you want to scroll down to this part that says to hide using base, all right? And now the Shopify editor is still loading. Let it finish loading. So right here, we are in the page editor, all right? And right here is the Explorer page. You come here to the section, click on page, click on assets, okay? And click on base.css, all right? And the next thing you want to do is you want to scroll down, all right? You want to scroll down to the last part, okay? And right here at the number 4267, which is the last part, also I'm going to paste. And right here, you want to go ahead and hit on save. And the moment you do that and you go back, you see it's gone again, all right? So this is exactly how you can hide or remove your card icon from your page theme just using these methods, all right? And if you find this helpful, type it's gone in the comment section, all right? Type it's gone. And there's another trick that I have for you using the custom liquid. So to do that, I'm just going to go ahead, remove this, all right? Click on save, and it should be visible again. Yep, it's visible now. And I can use the custom liquid method. And how to do that is I'm going to click on add section, and going to add custom liquid. Click on custom liquid again, and right there I have the custom liquid, and I can come back here, all right? Everything is in this doc, which I will possibly also give to you. And you want to come here and copy this and paste. And right there, you see that the card icon is gone again, all right? So type it's gone in the comment section. So I believe this video has been helpful. If it is, kindly make sure that you please subscribe and join this family to get to 10,000 subscribers. Please join the family. I have a long goal regarding this channel, so please subscribe to the channel. It's not going to cost you anything, all right? And also, even if you don't want to subscribe, at least like the video so that YouTube can recommend it to several other people out there who will be needing something just like this, all right? Thank you very much for your time. I wish you the best of luck, peace, and have a nice day ahead. Bye.